Hello everyone! Today I'm going to tell the story Pete the Cat Screams for Ice Cream. Today is the coolest day. The Just Chillin ice cream truck is coming, and Pete can't wait. Ice cream, so many flavors. Like rocking raspberry, far out fudge, and tabby twirl, cotton candy, kitty paw tracks, and a rainbow swirl. Let's go bananas, unicorn blast, and the sprinkles galore. There's got to be a million flavors and maybe more. Pete can't wait, and he can't be late. Hey, Pete, what's your hurry? Asks Gus. I don't have time to play. Just a Chillin ice cream truck is coming today. I can't wait, and it's getting late. Oh no, Gus looks so lonely. Can Pete make the time? Yes, being a friend is groovy, and Pete knows it's cool to be kind. Pete stops. He and Gus have a nice chat. Thanks, Pete. You are one kind cat. Pete, what's your hurry? Asks Grumpy Toad. Sorry, I have to be on my way. Just a Chillin ice cream truck is coming today. I can't wait, and it's getting late. Oh no, Grumpy looks frustrated. Can Pete make the time? Yes, lending a hand is sweet, and Pete knows it's cool to be kind. Wow, they fixed the flat. Thanks, Pete. You are one kind cat. Hey, Pete, what's your hurry? Asks Callie. It's a shame I can't stay. Just a Chillin ice cream truck is coming today. I can't wait, and it's getting late. Oh no, the park is a mess. Can Pete make the time? Yes, working together rocks, and Pete knows it's cool to be kind. Pete and Callie clean the park just like that. Thanks, Pete. You are one kind cat. Oh no, Pete checks his watch. He did run out of time. But then he sees the clean park, Grumpy riding his motorcycle, and Gus with a smile. Today is the coolest day. Pete is glad he took the time. And then, to Pete's surprise, the Just Chillin ice cream truck comes driving on by. Pete screams for ice cream. 1 scoop, 2 scoops, 3. More scoops and 2. Oh no! Brain freeze! Ice cream is cool, But what's cooler than that? Taking your time to be one kind cat. Would you choose to be as kind as Peter Cat? See you next time. Bye bye.